Breaking news. The West is burning, the ground is shaking, and storms are hitting hard. On August 3rd, 2025, more than 30 massive wildfires are raging across 11 U.S. states, forcing thousands to evacuate. In California, the fast-moving Gifford Fire has exploded to 40,000 acres. Meanwhile, a 3.0 magnitude earthquake rattled New York and New Jersey. No major damage, but plenty of nerves shaken. And in the southeast, deadly flash floods have already claimed lives, with more heavy rain on the way. From wildfires to floods, nature's fury isn't slowing down. Stay prepared and subscribe to Study USA for real and global updates you won't see anywhere else.